At Silk Road Odyssey, we embrace the delicate world of rugs with over 30 years of experience, making us the premier destination for rug cleaning and care in Mill Valley. Our commitment to artistry and detail shines through every service we offer, from gentle hand washing to masterful repairs. We cater to a diverse array of textiles, ensuring that whether it's a beloved Persian rug or a vintage piece, we provide tailored care that respects its unique qualities. Central to our expertise is our hand rug cleaning process, a method that celebrates the natural beauty of fibers and hues. Unlike machine methods that risk harsh damage, our traditional washing preserves the rug's integrity, extending its life while enhancing its vibrancy. Each rug undergoes a meticulous inspection and is hand-washed with precision, then dried under controlled conditions, ensuring softness and structure are maintained without compromise. We excel in rug repair, offering skilled reweaving, edge binding, and resizing for any type of rug. Our artisans pour their craftsmanship into every restoration, whether handling a small seam or a full revival of a treasured heirloom, ensuring it remains stunning for generations. Additionally, we create custom rug pads expertly cut to size to provide optimal protection against wear and tear. With convenient pickup and delivery throughout Mill Valley, Silk Road Odyssey stands as a pillar of quality, where your rugs receive the attention they rightfully deserve.